What's that? Let me see. Oh, you don't need all those, boy. Let me see. Look, AJ. Look this way, AJ. Look. Oh, God. You don't know what that is.
He said Dorito.
Look.
Oh, I want these.
Let's cool my youth. Promise me that our days will run smooth until we crumble. We could be something new, 'cause all I need is you. No more goodbyes. We'll start on something new. I know you want it too. No more goodbyes. No more goodbyes.
What's up, guys? We're the Will Fam. If there's a will, there's a way. And in today's video, we're going to be doing things the
Hey!
So in today's video, we are going to be showing you some fidgets that we got from Five Below. So it's a good one for you guys. We are on the road to 200 fidgets. As of right now, we're sitting at 14 fidgets, so we're gonna show you exactly what we got and what our number is sitting at. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed, we're gonna give you 3 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. You guys ready? You ready to open some fidgets?
Yeah!
All right, let's go ahead and get started.
Let's see what that Five Below bag looking like.
So what's the first thing you're gonna show them?
Let me see what you got there, boss. You got what? Let me see. Hold it still. Alright.
All right.
Ninja
okay,
Turtles.
sit down and go open
Let me see. Jeez. Is this the Ninja Turtle Lego? Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh. Build it, Leonardo. 100 bricks. What does it look like? Let me see.
It's that thing right here for you.
Oh, that's the thing. That's the top. Okay, let me see that.
The Hatchimal.
That's a Hatchimal.
Yeah.
Hold it still, baby.
The big
Oh, let me see.
Hatchimals can get the baby Hatchimal.
Big Hatchimal, 1 pack. What you think is in it?
See what is the session. Look, guys, this don't want us get in.
Let me see it so they can see it. Let me see your card.
This don't want us get in.
That's when we get in.
Splat.
Cute.
Is that squishy?
No. You're supposed to wrap the heart in. Now let's make it.
Oh, it's one of those eggs. Let me see.
Got that.
Do it, show a heart. Oh, turn it the other way. Let me see it.
Billy got that.
Okay. So you just rub it until? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead to another one. Let AJ open the third fidget while Allie rub her egg.
Yeah.
Hopefully it hatches soon.
It's pink.
Oh my God, what is that, Sonny? Monster truck. Can I see what it say? Oh, kinetic sand. Monster dirt refill.
I got another one.
Boom, and he got another one. See what you do with your fidget, with your kinetics. Oh.
That's kind of pink already good.
Oh.
Show Daddy.
Look, guys. See it? It's a monster truck.
What did it do?
It came into a pink card.
It
Let me
is.
see.
Looks the same to me.
Oh man.
Is it doing something?
Oh. Oh my. Oh. You just poked it.
Hold on,
Let me see. Go ahead. Let's crack them.
That's her.
What is it?
That's her.
Let me see. Oh, is that a cat or a raccoon? What is that?
It's a cat.
What
It's a
color
cat.
is it?
Pink.
Oh, okay. Oh no.
It looks like. What does that look like?
It's a ball.
It looks like dirt. And what color is that?
Brown.
Brown. Okay.
What's that? Put it down on the table so I can get a close up.
Put your bag on the floor, baby.
What do it say? Orbeez, Wow World, Wowzer Surprise, Polar Magic. What is it?
It's a polar bear.
Snap. Let me see that. Hold on. Is that just a scent?
Drop it there. No. Orby, look at him. Look at him, guys.
Replace. Oh, put this back on. Put that back on.
Daddy, you know toss.
Okay.
You
Get
toss
your-
in the tripod.
Get your key,
My key got right there.
and then you're gonna insert the key and rotate for a dancing action. So put it in there. This way. Rotate it. Turn it. Oh, she's dancing.
What that say? Blues Clues collectible. What that say? Collectible figures. Okay. Let's see what you got there. Go on and open it up, Sonny.
Look at that. This is
Oh.
You got the pink gear.
Oh,
Let me see that, AJ. She got pink.
Whoa. You gonna open her out of that bag?
What do it do, man?
Here,
Here.
open her up so we can see. Oh, look how pretty that is. Sparkly. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue, yes. And what color is she?
Right.
What color is the dog?
Look, it's got. Look.
What do the dog say? Wow, wow. That's a
What does the dog say?
that's a sick dog, huh?
Yeah, you got this
Let me see.
one. So they have collect all of them, and it's blue, magenta, Miss Pepper, Mr. Salt, and then it has super rare, which is glitter blue, and glitter magenta with some other characters. We got the magenta, the regular one.
Yeah.
So that's the one.
Yeah, so we wasn't that lucky to get
We
the
didn't get lucky.
legit
this time.
one.
That's called
What's that? Let me see.
Pick Me Pops.
Pick me.
Pick me pots.
All
Pops.
right, let's see what's
How
inside.
to do it?
Oh, let me see that front cover real quick, baby.
Go, Daddy. So in case,
Oh, okay.
so in case somebody else wants to get it, once you open it, they're
Pick
like, oh, that
Me
looks
Pops.
so cool.
All right.
It's a
Let's see what it
donut.
is.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, you got it, babe? You need help? Let's see what you got there. Okay. Pick me pockets.
3, 2, 1, open it.
Crumbs.
Smell it about.
What is it? Is it a donut?
Smell good? What is that? What is that smell like?
You can put it on your backpack too.
Let me see. Oh, it can go in your
Let's see
backpack.
if we got any of the rare
Smell
ones. What does
it.
it look like,
Let me
Daddy?
see.
Raw.
Ooh,
Raw.
smell delicious.
I eat them. I heard you.
Which one did we get? We got the cat. Can you see
Hey,
the
you
one?
never even hold it.
Oh, it can go on your finger. It can be like a ring. It can be like a earring. Whatever.
it
A
can be-
necklace.
No, I can't fit my neck.
You put it around, put it on a necklace as a charm. Boom. It can go in your hair, a hair tie. You can put it, come here, girl.
I don't like
Let me show.
This one right here. This is
You can
one
put
we
it
got.
on the hair.
So we got
Do
a
it all.
common one. So this is actually Crumbs the cat. So this is the one we got. And she smells like chocolate. She smells like chocolate glaze. That's the one we got. So we got a common one, so we didn't get a rare one. Man. Alright, you ready to go down to
It's
the
all good.
the safety turn.
AJ, oh, he's too busy feeding his mouth.
Another one.
Oh my God, so she got number 2. Maybe we'll,
see.
what's the name of that again?
Mommy got me.
What's the name of that again, baby girl?
What is that called?
What was it like, pick me pocket? Pick me pop? Okay,
It's called Pick Me Pops Surprise.
alrighty. A rare one on this 7th fidget. You got it, baby girl. Let's see what you got. Oh, that casing is different. Oh, is that a rare one? I got a feeling it's a.
Oh, what's her name? Right here.
Her name is
Right here, babe.
Hold it.
Sweets the Rhino. Oh, she's a common one. But what is she? She's supposed to smell like custard cream.
Sweet the Rhino.
Smell it.
Oh, she smells good. I like that
Look at her.
What is?
The one like better.
So you got a common one again. So
Hey,
you got two
okay.
common ones. Show Daddy both of them.
So cute.
Do that one got the string on it too? Sweet the rhino? Okay, yeah, they do got the string.
Oh, so we can put these on your book bag.
Yeah, I told you.
You want to put these on your book bag?
Yeah, girl. Look, I got 2 rings now. Yeah.
Hey.
2 fluffy rings.
Nice.
Okay.
All right, AJ.
Show Daddy what you got.
What you got right there? Is that funky chicken?
Yeah.
We used to do that dance back in the day. Silly putty.
How do you do the chicken? Do it, AJ.
Look at his face. Do it again. Hey, do it again, AJ. Look at his face. Well, serious. All right, go ahead. Open your silly putty, man.
Need help?
Let's get the slimy stuff that can make a mess. Whoa.
Ooh, it says you can stretch it. Stretch it.
What happened to the chicken?
Chicken. Do that.
It says you can snap it and you can bounce it.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Mommy and Daddy used to have putty when we were little. Do
Mommy.
you remember playing with putty, Daddy?
Nope.
No?
I can't.
Nope.
Bounce.
Do a bounce here. Let me see you bounce it. Oh, snap. Under the chair.
It disappeared.
Let me see it. Bounce it one more time.
Bounce it.
Boop, 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 boop.
That's called a.
That's cute.
It's called Cute
Sure.
Eatos Pizza Eatos. Unroll a furry friend. You ever seen that, Daddy?
No.
I got this before I too.
What that say up there on the number? Does it say 8 what?
Select all 8. Oh,
Oh,
looks
it's
like
8
so
of
many.
it. That's
Before
a
you do it, show
burrito,
Daddy.
girl.
Show the burrito.
Oh my
How
God.
cute is that?
No, it's a piece of bird.
It's a pizzarito. Not a burrito.
How you know that?
Pizza.
Maybe
Maybe
see if you
find
can pull
out.
it out. Don't, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a dog?
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Put it on the table. Put it
no.
on the table.
Hold up.
Oh my
It's a fox.
gosh, how cute.
Burrito.
Let's see what it says.
Mommy.
It
Hey, turn your
says
smiley face around.
Daddy, Daddy.
Let me see the
his
smiley
name
face
is
right here.
Prenum.
Mommy,
He's-
Daddy.
He's
No,
so
him cold.
cheesy, and he was born on April 28th, and he's a bulldogito.
Let me see your bulldogito.
Oh, what? Here, you gotta do the bottom first,
Let me see his face
Wrap
first.
it.
Again, let me see his face.
and then. Oh,
They don't know how to fold. They don't eat burritos.
oh, you look so cute.
Oh, let me put this back in him.
Oh, good luck.
Daddy.
Oh, God. Okay.
My pants on that. Keep him wrap up like a baby.
Hold on.
I got it's a
Allie,
There you go.
it's,
Pizzarito.
Oh, my goodness.
What is it? A burrito. That's his
look
name.
at her little ears.
So.
Aww.
Again.
What are you gonna get? Oh, this is also a YouTube family called FGTV.
What is
Oh,
it?
what is that? This paper?
It's a mermaid.
That's a mermaid.
A shark mermaid.
Great white Lexi. Is that her right there? Let me see. Let me see your toy. I think that's her. Yeah.
Oh wow, and there's a lot of them too. Show Daddy, wait, show Daddy so Daddy can see all of them. There's a
This
lot
the one
of
that's
them.
gone.
Yep, great white. That's her.
Show Daddy. Oh, she's cute. Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Let me see. Does she swim?
Her not that cute.
Daddy,
Oh.
what's her face look like? I didn't get
Let me see, AJ.
It's a dry thing.
Let me see your face.
Look.
Oh!
Oh, God.
I thought she was cute.
Let me see that. Hey, that's cool. Let me see. Let me see. Do she swim in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat.
AJ,
Your number 11. Your 11th fish. Oh no, you got play foam. What colors?
Play foam sparkle. Sparkle play foam. And what colors do you see? Point to them and tell Daddy.
Orange.
Orange.
Green.
Green.
Leather pink.
Yellow, pink.
What did I say? Squeeze me.
Can you say it in Spanish? Uno.
Uno.
Dos.
Dos.
Tres.
Grace.
Cuatro.
Quattro.
Very good.
You did that way better than me, baby.
So cute.
Oh, it's a mess ready to
There's a
happen.
son and a princess.
That's Tiana.
That is not Tiana.
Yes, it is. Let me see that. Tiana, exactly.
Where does it say Tiana?
It don't, but I know that's her.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, gosh. Already making a mess.
Princess, you got a mermaid. Okay, so what are these pictures, Allie? Tell Daddy what these pictures. This is a what?
Sun.
A sun,
Princess.
princess,
Mermaid.
mermaid,
Unicorn.
I
unicorn.
think that's the queen. Just kidding. Go ahead, baby girl.
Look. Okay.
Let's see what you got there, boss.
Oh, wow.
Oh man.
More kinetic sand.
More kinetic sand.
It's Monster Dirt
Refill.
kinetic sand.
Oh, let's see what color this is.
Puppy.
He had brown.
Here you go, baby.
It's red. It's red. It's red, guys.
Let's see what color it is.
It's red. It's red.
Oh. Oh, it's red.
It's red just like what? Your shirt.
But don't do
Don't
it.
do that with
Spider-Man, red. Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, red like Spider-Man.
So, like a pin.
It's red like who?
Iron Man's red. What other superhero's red?
Spider-Man.
What's your little
Hulk green like that.
Yo, Hulk green like that one. Let me see your sand, man. What you gonna do with it? One last one. Make it a good one. What is it? Let's see. Hey.
What is it? It's a Kindy
What
Kids.
is it, Allie?
Kindy Kids.
Candy Kids.
Mini. Ooh, and she wobbles.
Is that like a bobblehead? Rainbow Kate. What's her name? Let me see.
I'll get one of these.
Hey, boy. Oh. Let me see the front of it, Ellie. What's the name? Quit moving it. Rainbow Kate. Okay.
Ashton.
Let's see what she do.
So cute. What color
That
is
should
her
remind me
hair?
of JoJo Siwa.
It's not Jojo's Siwa.
It's not.
No.
Oh. Let me see.
Look,
What did she do? Did she just bobble? Oh, she can move her legs. I thought she was just like a bobble doll. Turn her this way. Oh, she matched good with that stuff too. Oh, she got dots on her feet. What's that? Is that to stand her up on something?
let me show you. Mom, we got I got another.
Oh.
Hold on, AJ.
Oh, you can't blow her head, huh? Oh, look at her face. Oh, mommy just broke it.
Oh, her head's so big.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead, baby girl.
Guys, this is like poop.
That's like poop. Put it down, let me see. What the world? That's really poop. Made in a jar. Oh,
Daddy.
joke in a jar. Poop.
Daddy, but
What you got, Sonny?
I got Daddy.
You got what?
I got Daddy.
Oh yeah. Put it down, let me see. You said vomit. What? You know what vomit is? Ew, that's throw up. Joke in a jar. Vomit. Oh, Troy Smith. Joke in a jar. All right, let's see. Let's go in and open them up. What did that say? 5 ounce, 0.5 ounces of poop. Do it smell? Make sure you smell it when you open it. What is that?
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah.
What is that in it?
Joke in a jar. You gotta act like you throwing up. Oh my God. What you do? Ooh, that's diarrhea. Yuck. Is that nuts and corn?
Yeah.
Ew, let me see that. I like that.
That's mine.
Hey, Jay, hold on, son. Don't mix that in there yet.
Guys. Oh, ew, it's so slimy.
It is slimy.
I'm supposed to do that.
It's really got corn in there.
Look.
Ew.
There, guys.
That's really like poop. Ashton, you had some of this today, man. Guys, that's all the fidgets y'all got from Five Below today. Which one was your favorite, AJ?
My favorite is this.
Huh?
My favorite is this.
Which one? The poop?
Ew!
Out of everything, you like the poop more.
Guys, look at this.
What is that?
That poop.
That's poop?
Yeah. Poopy.
So the poop was your favorite fidget?
Yeah.
Your favorite toy out of the day? What about you, Sonny? What was yours?
What's your favorite one?
Huh?
Which one's your favorite?
This.
That?
That. Is it just that or you like the whole slime, the whole vomit thingy?
Yeah, I want the whole bowl. Guys,
Uh,
I still got stuff in here.
You still got stuff in it?
So how many fidgets do we have?
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9.
You had 8?
Wow.
Nice, okay. We're gonna start with number 1 right here then. 1, 2, 3.
Mother.
Yep, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we had 7 and we had 8. So in all, we had 15 fidgets we got from Five Below.
Bye. See you in the next video.
See you next toy video.
Hey. Hey Jay, you gonna say bye? Say see you guys.
See you guys.